Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Most. Today I'm going to talk about the difference between match and match all. And both are very important, but each one has its use. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So as you can see here, this expression is going to extract out each word from this string. And in order to extract out each word, you would simply just use the string and then call the match function and pass your regular expression and then store it in var result equals to this, and then you can use the console.log to print out the result. And as you can see, the result is going to be an array of all of these words. So this is the match function. As you can see, this is the match function. It returns an array, and each element in this array is a result of this condition, of this regular expression. But if I use the match all, and if I save and run, as you can see, what I'm going to get is that I'm going to get an object, and here it says regexp string iterator. So here we need to loop through the result. We can't just display the result. It's just here object. So what we need to do is that I am going to use for loop and then r of result and then each result from this object. I'm going to just print it out to show you the result. Here are, if I save and run, as you can see, what I'm going to get is that I'm going to get all elements from that, or all properties from that object. And each property is an array. And as you can see, each property, which is an array, contains the result, which is the result from the regular expression, and the index where that result is exactly, and the input and the groups. So the difference between match and match all is that match all will give you more information about the result. So it's going to give you the result, each result, for example this, and then we have here is, and then we have another element and another element and another element, and each element will also be given its index. So for example here, this occurred at index 0. Is that true? Yes, it's true. It occurred at index 0. And also the input, which is just the string itself, the complete string, and the groups if you specified groups. So this is the difference between match and match all. Match is the fastest way to get the results if you just want the results, if you just want the elements that match the regular expression that you want. But match all will give you more information if you wish to know more information about your result. And also another difference is that match all, as you can see, it's going to return iterable iterator, whereas the match is going to return just a normal array. As you can see here, it returns just a regular expression match array. So this is the main difference between match and match all. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions about regular expressions or any other tutorials, leave them in the comment section below. And also check the description below because I have created a free ebook on how to make money online coding. You can download it from the description below. This is Most. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.